Can you hear me?
There we go.
What's going on, man?
Can you hear me? Yeah, it went out for a second there, though.
Well, there you go. What you up to today?
Just finishing up some flood stuff and licensing stuff.
Nice, man. I would imagine just staying on top of the licensing thing is like almost like a full-time job for you when you're national.
Well, it is because my birthday's in April, and that's when half of them renew. But I'm battling with Alabama and Georgia right now, where I'm going to have to be without a license in Alabama for a week because they screwed up when I moved back and didn't release the license in time.
Huh.
So.
Yeah. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'm just trying to collect some of these. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running some of these as ads, and I hope you're okay with that. If you're not, it's totally cool.
No, I'm fine.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll just kind of get into it. I'll just ask you some questions about the program, and just maybe if I don't know if you can maybe speak to some of the results that you're having or some of the impact that it's having on your business.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so I'm here with Chris Green. Chris is, if you don't know Chris in the insurance industry, he is the flood insurance guru. He is and guru is probably the most appropriate name for you when it comes to flood insurance. But Chris, you've been in our program now for a couple months. Can you just talk about, how it's benefited your business and maybe how you've leveraged the program to kind of scale what you're doing, not just from a local level, but to a national level?
Yeah, I'll be honest with you. I haven't even finished the program. I'm probably still only 20-30% in because I'm taking it bits and pieces. But the 20-30% that we're in has completely changed our business. I was traveling 2,000 miles a week, getting in front of a lot of people before the program. Now I'm still traveling that much, but it's in bulk now. But instead of traveling 2 states over, I'm traveling 20 states over because someone saw me on YouTube. Someone saw us on Facebook. They saw the content we were providing, which is what we've used the course for, is, a lot of people get into it for ads. We've gotten into it for educational awareness. And we've been able to use it with some strategies where we're not really having to run ads, but we're able to run the strategies we've learned in the course, and it's not really costing us any money.
So you're using the organic stuff that we talk about, and I think you're right. A lot of people get really attracted to the advertising portion of it, but you really took hold of how video can just help your business in general, and maybe some of the frameworks that we talk about from an educational standpoint or from just a simple production standpoint. You've really taken it and you've not just run with it, but you've sprinted 1,000,000 miles per hour into a few different directions. Can you talk a little bit about specifically how video has helped your business, whether it be from a local celebrity standpoint or whether it be from a result standpoint for just business itself?
Yeah, as I said, before the course, I used video to do video quoting I have for a few years. But I wasn't really using video to provide content. And I think one of the things I've done now through our 365 flood videos in 365 days is all of a sudden we've created this huge resource library. And customers are like, hey, I got a question on this. Or agents are like, hey, I got a question on this. Hey, check out this video we did on this day. It'll answer all those questions. And that's kind of what's happened by accident. But then what's happening is now they're sharing those videos with their audience, and they're doing all this marketing for us. And, my average customer lives 2,000 miles from it. And so, we use video to connect with them. If I made a new referral partner, we send them a video. We use YouTube, some of the discovery ads, those airs when they're doing flood map changes across the country. And people will laugh at our videos and they'll make sarcastic remarks. I said, look, make them all day long, because as long as you keep making them, people are going to keep watching.
That's right.
And people will make fun of us in them. I said, look, you can make fun of me all you want, but you're watching the video, which is my goal.
Can you talk to some of the numbers that you guys are doing now when it comes to your flood insurance program?
Yeah, as I said, this year when we shifted really just to flood insurance, I was like, I kind of got this dream. Hey, if at the end of year 1 we can write $25,000 a month of flood insurance, that'd be insane. Well, we're at the end of month 4 now, and we're going to end up writing $30,000 in premium.
Wow.
We're writing a home and auto premium every week. Now we're starting to write just in flood premium.
And you guys have been able to shift your entire business model almost around this entire niche. And you've been able to really scale using video as a means to communicate your message and your brand. And now you guys are almost exclusively flood insurance, if I'm not mistaken. And if people who don't know about flood insurance, what they probably don't understand is that those premiums in bulk are probably average premium is probably pretty low. So to be able to crack 6 figures in premium on a routine basis, that's pretty substantial from a volume standpoint.
It is, because your average premium for us is probably anywhere from $800 to $1,200.
Wow.
To do that just with that. But then what we've been able to do is, I was on another podcast today talking about this, that aired, is it's opened up other avenues like our flood zone change where we charge fees. But now we're helping other insurance agents get their customers out of different flood zones. Well, now we've added the flood education piece. So now we're charging to do CE courses for realtors across the country. And it's opened up these different avenue streams all surrounded around flood.
Wow. That's amazing. And now you are probably one of the biggest cheerleaders for our program. And I can't thank you enough for that. But if you could maybe articulate maybe to somebody who's watching this and they're thinking about joining our program and they're thinking, well, is this really a good fit for me? Is it something that I could benefit from, whether I'm an insurance agent, whether I'm in real estate, whatever the situation might be? Can you maybe speak to some of that and what you might tell somebody if they were looking at growing their business, specifically looking in this area of video as a means to grow their business?
Yeah, actually, I have a conversation probably with a different agent daily about it. Like, hey, do you think that program's right for me? And I said, well, let me tell you why it was right for me. I said, I have a unique model. I said, but video is my future. Google is my future. YouTube. I said, it really depends what you want as an agent. If you want to go out there and generate a lot of leads for these lenders through Facebook, that's fine. But look at your cost per lead on Facebook. But if you want buyers that are serious, that are engaged, maybe just with you, people that are actually out there searching and you're finding a solution for their problem, then this is the course that's right for you. I said, now, you can go to the Facebook and look at the different ads. It's just a longer funnel. Like I tell people, I said, this is a much shorter funnel. But if you can find a way to take advantage of this, even some of our realtors and lenders, what we showed them to do with YouTube now, man, it's crazy. The amount of money compared to video views. I said, look, it's all about the branding now. Look how much, I just had 150 views in the video that cost me $5.
Say that one more time, Chris, in case the people at home didn't hear that. I think it broke up a little bit.
150 views on one of my educational videos in Iowa that cost me $5.
Right. And that's to your ideal market. That's to the ideal customer, the person that's most likely to want to buy from you.
And I think a lot of people think, oh, well, you can't use income. You can't use these different things maybe like you can with Facebook. You can. YouTube has a lot of that built in. You could use different things like there are some other resources out there that collect data. Take that data, put it with YouTube, and you make YouTube a really powerful tool.
Really powerful tool. Chris, I can't thank you enough. I'm so excited to see just the level of growth that you're having. And every day I see, and really the biggest testament to you is every single day when I'm online, I see Chris Green. I see the flood insurance guru. I see you everywhere and anywhere. And you're just dominating not just your local market, but really you're dominating your national market as well. And there's nobody in such a short period of time, really, you became the guru, for no pun intended, the guru for all things flood insurance. It was wide open for you. And you took it. And I'm so excited to see your growth and your evolution, man. Thank you so much for being a part of our program.
Thank you.
Cut. Appreciate you, man.
No problem, man.
Anything I can do for you?
No, I should be on the call tomorrow. I'm moving into a new office.
Okay.
I'm getting ready to start shooting my new podcast.
There you go, the Floodcast.
Well, it's Floodcast, but no, it's just an easy way for Google to pick it up. It was like, why would you do a podcast? I said,
yeah,
another way for someone to rank you.
Yeah, another thing you might want to think about doing is you can do a live stream via YouTube, like a YouTube live stream, almost like what we're doing here.
Fine, but I've only got 40 subscribers, and that's why I haven't really gone too deep.
But what you do is you tell everybody to watch it. Just whether you're a subscriber or not, just direct people to it, and then you can create custom audiences out of all the people that watch it.
So people don't have to subscribe to your channel in order to watch it.
No, not at all. Another idea.
As well, because I've talked to the insurance dude to do that. So I told myself, I may just record it on YouTube Live and record it by voice at the same time.
Yeah.
Or like Josh does that with Facebook. He just pulls the audio out. Use rev.com and do it that way.
Yep, exactly. All kinds of different ways to repurpose the same content.
That way I can throw a logo behind me and everything.
Yep. All kinds of ways to repurpose that same content.
But as I said, my goal is to kind of try to finish the course. I just haven't enough time.
Yeah, I feel it, man.
I'm just spending all my time on the YouTube portion of the course right now.
Yeah, which I think is beneficial. I mean, I think you're killing it, bro. You're freaking killing it.
I had someone reach out to me because they're looking at NATO's course and a couple others. I said, look, it just depends what you want to go after. NATO's course is great.
Yeah,
and it might be great for me if I was a traditional agent. But for what I want to do, I can get so much more of my money out of YouTube.
Yep, for sure. I tell people the same thing. There's a number of people I talk to. I go, I just don't think it's the right thing for you. And that's totally cool. Like, it's just not the right thing for you right now.
Yeah.
I don't want to take
I
money.
spent a fortune, man. I probably wasted $400 or $500 on Facebook last month. And compared to what I did on YouTube, I was like, forget it. We're doing so well organically on Facebook as long as other people keep pushing us
Yep. Yeah, you're killing it organically, man.
that we don't even need to. Just focus it on YouTube. We're going to get way more for our money.
Yep. I think the organic game for you on Facebook is really strong.
Yeah. And which that's just kind of happened by accident.
Yep. Yep. So, all right, dude. Well, I'm going to let you get back to it. I mean, I appreciate you.
No problem. Thanks, man. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
All right, man.